Hello everybody and welcome to the unboxing video of the Tapo mini smart Wi-Fi socket energy monitor. It's the Tapo, where is it written? I think, yeah, here it's written model number Tapo P110. It's the EU version with version 1.2. So we are going to unbox it now. So this is a small box. It's really cheap. It's quite cheap. I like the products from TP-Link Tapo. I believe that it's a good product. So we are unboxing it now. Voila! It's not much into it. It's a cardboard, all cardboard. So that's that. Only a little paper. I think it's a quick start guide, and then here you have the energy plug with smart monitoring with everything on it. It's 16 amperage, so it's the maximum from a wall socket. So voila. I hope you like my video and don't forget to subscribe because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel.